actually, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built this mobile base for my Systainer. This is a really simple project that I was able to combine a little bit of 3D printing with woodworking. Alright, so like I said, I was able to combine 3D printing with woodworking. Systainer base that's just 2x4, but on top of that 2x4, I have 3D printed these little cleats, so it just snaps right in, and it's pretty secure. It's not gonna slide off. If I lift it up, it'll come off. But yeah, it's pretty nice. And the model for the cleats is something I found with Thingiverse, and I'll have a link in the description below on where you can download it. So let's get started with the build. The 2x4 square, cut the size, and the next step is going to be actually cutting the half laps, and I'm going to probably use my bandsaw to do that. So let's get this marked up. So, not quite a perfect half lap. I'm a little off, but close enough, I guess. Maybe cut a couple more, and then I'll be ready for glue. Base out of the clamps. If this wasn't a shop project and I was trying to make something nice with half laps, I'd probably throw this in a drum sander to kind of fix the mistake I made with it's not quite a flush fit, but since it's a shop project and in the grand scheme of things it doesn't really matter, I'm just going to leave it as is and not try to fix its flaws. And so the next step is actually going to be installing the little cleats, and yeah, so let's get to it. To ensure that I actually install everything in the right spot, what I'm going to do is I got some double-sided tape, and I'm just going to tape it on here, and yeah, I'm going to use some double-sided tape to help me, but I need to get some scissors first. Yeah, I just feel like this will make my life a lot easier. If I use a little tape. Alright, so now that I have the double-sided tape on all of the cleats, I'm going to take this and attach it, and hopefully everything lines up next to it. There we go. There we go. Alright, so I am going to grab a screwdriver and I'm going to secure these in. Alright, I got the cleats installed, and now the moment of truth. Will it actually go on top? We'll see. Let's see. It's in there. It's not completely flush. I think part of that's because the screws I use aren't completely flush with the base. I might need to replace my screws, but it is in there snug. And the next step would just be installing some caster wheels, and I guess I'll just go ahead and grab that. I have these, but I'm starting to think I might want brakes on it. I don't know. We'll go with these. And yeah, I'm going to just install these in each corner.